Hello there, and let me teach you how to fix Netflix black screen with sound. So first things first here, please open the Nextview app. I have a few ways for you to try here. So first things first, if it's stuck on Netflix as black screen with sound, just first close the app. How do we do that? Click on this button. This is my way, and then double click, and that's for closing it. Now for the second way, please check on your network connection. Please make sure you're connected with a Wi-Fi. To make sure that, go to settings. Once you're in settings, just click on Wi-Fi. If it's connected like this, it should show the toggle button. Now, if you see that, that should do it. For the next step, please make sure your Netflix app is up to date. To do that, please open the App Store. Once open, just search for Netflix. As you can see here, mine is up to date. It just says open. Now, if the situation still persists, we can do offloading the app. Go on settings, go on general, and then go on iPhone storage. Once here, please look for Netflix. And there you go, I found it. Once we find it over here, click on offload app. Once you offload it, it should show unload or install again. Just click on install, and that should fix the problem. However, if the problem still persists, I have a few more here to try. So go on settings again, check on date and time, and then please make sure your date and time is set automatically, as mine. Just click on toggle button here. Perfect. Now, since we have that, I'll assure you it's working by now. However, if there's an off chance it's still not working, now I have a few more here. Go on settings again. Please make sure that your VPN is turned off, or whatever VPN you're using is turned off. For example, on my end here, I just search for VPN on settings. Mine is not even signed in or not connected. So you should see the same on your screen also. Now I have last two here. This is like the last two options, like if there isn't any solution. Second to the last option is force restart your phone. What I mean is forced. Click the power button and the lower volume button at the same time. Wait until the Apple logo shows up. Okay then, once you restarted your phone, if the situation still persists, now let's just uninstall Netflix and reinstall again. How to do that? Just hold the Netflix app, remove app, and then click this one. Once you click on that one, just reinstall it again using App Store. And I assure you, if we all did that 8 steps, I assure you your Netflix shouldn't having any black screen anymore. So that's how you fix Netflix black screen with sound. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.